How to buy UTRX Utility Token, desktop version. Important notice. This platform works only on the Binance Smart Chain, BEP20. Use only USDT, USDC, or BNB on BSC. Don't use Ethereum or Tron versions. You could lose your funds. If needed, bridge your tokens to BEP20 using MetaMask Bridge, Binance Exchange, Seller C Bridge. Step 1. Visit the official website using Chrome or any other browser of your choice. Go to www.utrxtoken.org using your desktop browser. Step 2. Switch to BSC network, open your wallet, like MetaMask, and select the BSC mainnet from your network list. Step 3. Connect your wallet. Click Connect Wallet and choose your wallet provider, e.g. MetaMask. Step 4. Access the dashboard. Once connected, go to your dashboard. On the left sidebar, click Token Sale. Step 5. Choose a payment token. Select either BNB, USDT, or USDC. Make sure they are BEP20. Step 6. Enter the amount. Type the amount you want to invest. The system will calculate your UTRX token amount. Step 7. Confirm the transaction. Approve the transaction in your wallet when prompted.
Wait for on-chain confirmation. Your UTRX tokens will be delivered to your wallet shortly. Congratulations, you're now part of a biotech revolution powered by blockchain. Important reminder, always ensure you are using the official DApp link only, www.utrxtoken.org. Avoid links from unknown sources to prevent scams.